Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Why? Yeah, why?
Oh, pretty.
I think I'm gonna get a 30 milliliter from them about that.
Oh, that was. Well, that was scary, Sophia.
Tomorrow night, my buddy, the Wicked Mix. Well, the lead singer, her name's Vicky. And they just do 2 beer.
Whoa. Whoa.
You're fine. Where'd you come from? You're just like up here, just poof. Wow.
What do you want?
That shot, absolutely horrible.
That's what Tony was saying.
But I'm not going to just like sit in my house, so I don't take them with somebody.
Not as well be me.
So I took 2 of them last time.
Yeah, baby.
A pretty one.
What?
That's a really pretty one. I like Robo.
Not our home?
Oh, that's a pretty one.
Yeah. Alright, hold that thought. Emma, do you know where Mommy put the
Hey, you want to bring me a lemonade?
The closet?
Oh, here. I'll just grab my cell phone. Down that bitch. Oh.
Daddy.
What?
I think it's in the closet in the hallway.
Okay.
All down there. Yeah.
Here they come. Here they come. Here come the big fireworks.
Come on. I can't see the fireworks. See. Can I help you? What? Can I help you do that? No. I want to see. Where's the fireworks? I mean, show them that way, not that way. Yeah, but the fireworks. I think the fireworks are done.
Oh, maybe they're done.
Maybe.
They gotta wait a lot, like a little.
Okay, I think they're done. Oh,
Oh,
no!
there they are. Ooh, look at that pretty blue.
I think that was a green. Oh. Find it? Dad, did you find it?
No, I don't know where it is. It might be in the car.
Text Mom.
Did you hear competitive gaming switching over PlayStation?
No. Good.
Text Mom to buy some.
Because PlayStation 4 went more game oriented than
Daddy.
went game oriented instead of like family and oriented. Because PS4 went more like when they made PS4 it went more towards gaming. So since they went more towards gaming, they Xbox decided to get away from gaming and went towards like a full console.
It's like super dark out here. I can't even see you guys.
They
Now I can see you. If you go by the light, I can see you.
decided that all competitive gaming should go
This is like the best video ever. Haley, what are you doing? That's when Sylvia tag us. I guess I'll run too. Ah, dirt. I am going to get my shoes. I'm going to go get my shoes.
Shoes?
Yeah. Get my shoes. Daddy. Sometimes, Dada.
You want your shoes too?
What?
Sometimes I think that's ants, but it's really dirt.
Oh wow, yeah, it does look like ants.
Look at that, it looks like ants. They are ants. No, they're dirt.
It's all dirt.
Watch
your
out.
head. Watch your head.
Watch out.
Watch your head.
Look at your shoes. Grab your,
What? I'm out
Children.
to the grandma.
Children.
Pack my shoes. Pack my shoes. Or my shoes. I need my shoes. My shoes, my shoes, my shoes. My shoes. Can't find that one. I'm gonna get Sophia's shoes. These are really cute. Give me a like and a comment. Okay, so on a scale from 1 to 20, how do you like these shoes? That's Sophie's shoes.
Okay, good. Go take your video over there.
Sophie, put on your shoes. My shoes in. Daddy. Wow. 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 You can barely see me, but this is, I'm gonna go by the way. Okay. Maybe if I go right here. This is the best video ever. Give me a like, subscribe if you love this video. It's not the 4th of July. Why would I say that? It's not the 4th. I almost said it's the 4th of July, but it's not. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna run too. Okay, who's the tagger? I am the Sophie's, Okay. Oh, you can go. The green thing is base. No, it's What's not base and freeze tag. Oh, this is freeze tag. Oh, this is. We're just running around the green thing. Sophie, run now. Oh my God. Haley. You're frozen. Unfreeze. Hi, Mom. I'm frozen. Hey, Grace. Tag me. Tag. Hey. Come on. I'm trying to run. Okay. Haley, I'm going to take a break. Woo! There's a break. You can't tag us on rolling break. I can't really see. I'm going to go see that shining light back. Woo! Gracie, I'm going to be tagger. Okay, we're going to play real tag. Gracie, this thing is base. This thing is base. Okay. If you do this, Gracie, it's fine. If you do, Gracie, if you do this, you do that, that means you're on base. You touch that thing, that means you're on base. I'm running fast. Go get you, Gracie. Gracie, touch that thing. Oh, you okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go, Grace. Let's go. Oh, look at that moon. It's a half moon. Can I get you, Gracie? I got you. Okay, now you gotta try to, Gracie, you gotta get me. Ready, go. Gracie, you're fast. I'm gonna show them eating. What are you even eating? Chicken. You're frozen. Oh, I'm frozen. Hey, Haley, what are you eating? Juice. I got some juice. More juice, and I got, look at those fireworks though. And I got a chicken. That smells really good. Oh, so give Haley a like, and give Gracie a like. She is. Give Sophia a like. And totally give me a like. Goodbye. Bow, bow.